Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will review the Chase Sapphire Reserve. We'll explore its premium features, helping you decide if it's the right fit for your lifestyle. You'll learn how to maximize the card's benefits, from earning valuable points on everyday spending to redeeming them for incredible travel experiences. Get ready to unlock the full potential of this popular travel card and see if its perks outweigh the cost. The Chase Sapphire Reserve offers impressive rewards, starting with 3x points on all travel and dining. You'll also enjoy a $300 annual travel credit, which is automatically applied to eligible purchases, significantly offsetting the annual fee. Plus, gain access to over 1,300 airport lounges worldwide through Priority Pass Select, and receive a credit for global entry or TSA pre-check application fees. To truly maximize your card's value, redeem your points for 1.5 cents each when booking travel through Chase Travel. For even greater value, consider transferring your points to one of their many airline and hotel partners, often yielding 2 cents or more per point. Don't forget the built-in protections like purchase protection and extended warranty, adding peace of mind to your purchases. So, is the Chase Sapphire Reserve worth its $550 annual fee? It truly depends on your spending and travel habits. If you frequently travel and dine out and can utilize the $300 travel credit and other perks, the value can easily outweigh the cost. For many, the premium benefits and flexible redemption options make it an excellent choice. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.